show you one way of using coffee grounds as a plant fertilizer. First, we want a refined texture, so make sure to crush any lumps that you found on your coffee grounds. A gentle reminder, if this is the first time you've ever used coffee grounds as a fertilizer, make sure to start with small batches so that you'll know how it will affect your plants. Remember, too much of everything is bad. Once it's refined, take a small amount and evenly spread it into your soil. Lastly, don't forget to water your plants. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another helpful tutorials for all new plantitas and plantitas out there. Keep safe and God bless you all. This is Jai saying let love grow. Peace out.